The following message is broadcasted at the request of the United States of the Americas Air Force. This is not a test. At 10:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unidentified object of unknown origin was spotted over numerous areas within the Virginian Commonwealth, including cities such as Petersburg, Richmond, Emporia, and Fredericksburg, at an estimated altitude of 50 kilometers or 164,000 feet. This object is assumed to be controlled aircraft. It is not known if it is to be followed by more of its kind. The intent of the aircraft is unknown. Regardless, the USOTA Air Force recommends all citizens of the Virginian Commonwealth to monitor all media outlets controlled by the USOTA Air Force. Updates will follow as more information is gathered. Citizens are encouraged to remain inside and block out all windows, as well as cease any and all non-essential communications until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.